Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to boost sales and visibility using Amazon promo codes. Let's get into it. Amazon promo codes, when used strategically, can significantly boost product visibility and sales velocity without sacrificing long-term profitability. These codes are created in Seller Central under the Promotions section and can be configured to appear either publicly on the listing or remain hidden for controlled marketing campaigns. By creating a promo code and displaying it selectively, such as during live stream events, brands can generate urgency and exclusivity without flooding their listing with visible discounts. Limiting the number of times a code can be redeemed further enhances the scarcity effect and prevents excessive margin erosion. Customer experience also plays a key role. While the code itself might be time-limited or use-capped, extending the offer manually to engaged customers upon request can build loyalty and drive repeat purchases. This approach blends promotional tactics with long-term brand trust. The depth of the discount is another critical factor. Offering deep discounts does not always equate to better results. In some tests, moderate discounts produce the same level of ranking and visibility as larger ones. This is especially true in low competition categories where a smaller price reduction can still achieve top page ranking. Moreover, deep discounts can negatively impact average order value. Since Amazon considers both order quantity and order value, reducing the price too aggressively can decrease the total perceived value of the product, resulting in weaker algorithmic boosts. Consistency in streaming and promotion frequency also influences Amazon's internal tier system. Sellers who schedule live streams regularly, follow guidelines, and build a streaming history are elevated in visibility. These tiers determine how prominently a stream appears, starting from the general Amazon Live page and potentially progressing to homepage placements and access to high-traffic seasonal sections. This added visibility amplifies the effectiveness of promo codes when timed alongside these streaming events. Promo codes deployed during high visibility periods yield stronger conversions and a greater return on promotional spend. Launch campaigns can use slightly deeper discounts if supported by high product margins. However, even during product launches, overly aggressive discounts are not always necessary. Strategic assessment of category competitiveness, expected conversion rates, and margin thresholds should inform the ideal discount range. An advanced strategy includes transitioning from single unit listings to multi-packs. This reduces per unit FBA and referral fees and allows sellers to increase average order value while maintaining or improving margin. It also enables higher value promo code offers that preserve profitability. Brands that continuously test their pricing structure and promo code effectiveness tend to discover more profitable strategies over time. Iterative testing, modifying discount percentages, code expiration timing, or usage limits helps identify the sweet spot for optimal visibility and margin balance. Overall, promo codes should be viewed not just as short-term sales drivers, but as tools within a broader visibility and conversion strategy. Pairing them with live stream content, using scarcity, and managing order value effectively allows sellers to achieve growth without compromising profit margins. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.